So what makes an eBay listing sell? I think it's important to look at eBay listings from a buyer's perspective and see how a typical buyer goes through the process of buying something on eBay. So that's what we're going to do in this lecture. First of all, one of the main things that makes an eBay listing sell is the title. And the proper creation of the title is so critical and so important. And so we're going to be learning a little bit about how to create the best titles for eBay traffic. Because this is really where it all starts. eBay is basically one giant shopping search engine. And if you understand a little bit about search engines and how they work, you can create great titles that are going to attract the majority of the traffic. The next step is the images. The images are so important, yet I see so many eBay sellers not putting much emphasis on their images. The images really are some of the most important things that really sell the item. So we're going to show you some image hacks and how to dramatically improve your images. The next thing people typically look at is the price of the item and how competitive is it in comparison to other items. Now, that doesn't mean that your item has to be priced the lowest, because sometimes you can actually add value within your listing and actually get more money for your item than other people. So we're going to be looking at that as well. The fourth item we're going to look at is your description and how you can create a description that stands far above all your competitors' descriptions. Then we're going to look at feedback and how important it is to highlight your positive feedback in such a way that your potential customers cannot ignore it. They have to see your positive feedback. And another one is added value, where you're going to learn simple ways to add value to your listings so that you can create a far more competitive listing, a listing that just crushes your competition. And lastly, we're going to talk about a very powerful principle called cross-selling. How we can cross-sell all of our listings within each listing. So get ready, this is going to be a very powerful set of lectures for you.